What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of B is for Build. In this episode, we're gonna take this very much work in progress M5 and try and drive it 1,000 miles back to the shop. Wish me luck. About 200 miles down and the car is operating great. It's a great drive so far. I just got lunch. I got some hot food. It's not even hot. I'm thinking about a little bit later tonight, maybe trying out the Last Dab. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's like the hottest hot sauce on earth. And I have some, so that might show up in a minute or two. So far, car 200 miles down. Car is doing great. We have not overheated, knock on wood. Luckily I have wood interior, and it's great. Let me show you around some of the things that I've been enjoying so far with this car. Off the bat, when you get in, the Alcantara interior is really nice. It's just a sign of a nice, expensive car normally, and it makes it a really nice place to be. The cruise control is really great. It's got that funny little green light that jumps around on the speedometer telling you where the car is set to, and the toggle switch is really nice with the push forward and the bring back. We'll do these nice 5-mile-an-hour jumps. That was actually the blinker. It's down here. I'm still learning some things. Heated and cooled seats. I'm loving that. Cooled seats right now is my setting, and that's really nice. Also, you have the seat restraint, which is a really cool thing that changes the side padding on your seat, and it actually hugs you into the seat as the car corners left and right. The heads-up display is super cool, obviously. That's like one of the coolest little features on this car. Makes you feel like you're driving in the future. Miles per gallon, I'm actually getting a lot better miles per gallon than I think it even says you're supposed to in the manual. But I'm averaging 20.4 miles per gallon on the highway, so I feel pretty good about that. And it can't all be perfect. The only thing I don't like about this is the transmission. It's an SMG, and it likes to upshift and stay in a higher gear than you probably would normally want to be. It's a little funky to try and get used to, but I'm getting used to it. Overall though, really enjoyable drive. This is kind of crazy. I knew there was a fire outside of LA, but once you get past the Grapevine, you can really see the effect of the smoke. I don't know where the fire is, but I'm sure we're driving towards it. Check this out. The entire skyline is just smoke going all the way up to the clouds. There's mountains like not that far in front of me, and you can't see them at all. Today was a crazy one, and it didn't even have anything to do with the car. The car was perfect in every way. Yes, in every way. Could really go for a comprehensive review of some. Tonight we have Miami Vice. It's colorful, and whipped vodka. So on the drive, like I said, car went perfect, but I schedule a lot of phone meetings when I know I'm going to be on the road all day long, and I just jump on the phone and deal with meetings. And there's been some stuff that's been going on behind the scenes in my life, and it affects B is for Build as well, that is huge. It's astronomically huge, and it almost all fell apart today because someone lost their cool. And it wasn't me. Wasn't me. So that was nerve-wracking. It was the first time in a long time that my stomach was it was turning. My stomach literally turned, and I got an upset stomach because of the implications of what almost happened. It was crazy. Whipped chocolate, fantastic. Very nice, very nice. Oh, you know how PewDiePie reviews whiskeys? Can I just review cheap split shots all day long? I'm down. Whatever gets the video 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Miami Vice, not a fan. Tastes like red mixed with milk. Tastes like you poured milk in my cocktail. So yeah, today was a strange one, and I wish I could tell you guys all about it, but I can't right now. But if everything goes through, which I really think it will, I'll be announcing it in the next 3 or 4 episodes. So you'll see it then and be like, oh, that's what he was talking about. And if I could be so bold as to give you guys a little bit of a motivational something, just remember that when people fly off their rocker, you're gonna want to respond with either like a fight or a flight or just a freeze mentality. None of them are gonna feel good in the end. None of them. Because the reality of it is that you're already upset because somebody went off their rocker on you. Oftentimes men, like, you know, me and you watching, 99% of us watching, feel bad if they don't choose fight. But oftentimes the smart move is just to ask people to chill the f out. So in the end, even if it doesn't feel good, just know that you probably made the right decision. And no matter what decision you make, if you choose to fight, or if you choose to flight, or you choose to freeze, they all don't feel good. None of them do. Because you feel bad, period, because somebody lost their mind on you. And that's not your fault. So, I doubt that's going to help anybody, but if it does, maybe in the future. Alright, time for dinner? Alright, I think this is going to be fun. Let's review something a little bit hotter. This is the Last Dab. It is, as far as I know, the hottest hot sauce in the world. It's made from the hottest peppers on the planet. It's made from what's called Pepper X. It's an unnamed pepper. It's the big brother to the Carolina Reaper, which is the big brother to the Ghost Pepper. So some hot stuff. It's from a show called Hot Ones. They have a YouTube channel called First We Feast, and they actually developed this sauce themselves. And what they do is they run their guests through a gamut of different powerful hot sauces, and this is the hardest last one. And I decided, well, we'll just give it. We'll do some wings tonight. We'll do some hot wings tonight. I got some truck stop wings, and I got my Last Dab. On the show, normally they go from mild to hottest. The Last Dab is the hottest, and they have, each wing has a little coating, but then on the Last Dab they add a little Last Dab to seal the deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat all these wings, and then on the last wing, if I'm still alive, I'll dab up. Reinforcements, I got my favorite water and beer. Shout out to Post Malone, he dabbed it up with Coors Light. Might have overdone it. Holy moly. Okay. So those of you that watch the show know that I am no stranger to hot food. I love hot wings, and I always get the hottest ones I can ever find. These will certainly be the hottest one. Oh yeah, there's no plates in this hotel, so I had to, this is the ice bucket wing challenge. They smell like death. Cheers. Coming on. This is like a time delay one. Got a little ranch. Wings are better with ranch. Oh, I got the heat hiccups. Last one. Oh, I forgot to dab it. Oh my god. That's a hefty dab right there. Everything is on fire. There's normally like a euphoric burning feeling that you get. This one is lacking the euphoria. Maybe more whipped shots will help. Alright, we've undergone enough pain. Coming in with the remedy. Strawberry Nesquik. I'm about fully recovered. That was good. That was hot. Anybody doing this at home, don't forget to put chapstick on afterwards, because you can actually physically burn the surface of your lips if you don't take care of them. That was hot, but I don't know. Sean Evans, shout out to Sean Evans from Hot Ones. If you're ever in the Portland area, hit me up. I'll take you to Fire on the Mountain. I think the El Jefe over there can give the Last Dab a run for its money. Hello, V10. Driving through Mount Shasta right now, the Forgotten Mountain Pass. This car is crazy in the corners. It feels like you're not going that fast at all. And then so you bank right, and the seat actually throws a little padding on my right so my body doesn't shift at all. And you just go hard into the corner and just keep going. No need to slow down. This is fantastic. It's also a bit comforting because I raced an M4 before and I kind of have a feeling of where the limit is with these cars, how much grip they have, as well as when you have the traction control on how many nanny state things are inside of the brains of this car, making sure you don't just fly off a corner. With all the safety features turned on this car, it's actually really, really hard to just fly off a corner. I might even say impossible. The car just slows you down before that happens. I think, at least, I mean, that's my thoughts. The guy that slid into a wall last month says very confidently. Update, it's dark now, 120 miles out. I'm back, guys, I'm back home. I made it, the trip, we're here, back in Portland, very close to the shop, and I had time to grab the girlfriend and take her out to dinner. It's been a long time since I've been able to see her, so I'm super stoked. Let's go to dinner. Oh wait, first I have to change my jacket because Chelsea says this does not match my pants. Back home, dinner was interesting. That place wasn't very good, but it was great to be back with Chelsea again. And that's it. The car is doing fantastic. I would say that car is right on the level with the Aston Martin. The looks are obviously, it's a different ballgame, right? They're two different kind of designed cars, but damn, is it a great driving car. I actually did throw it into M Sport mode and took it on some backcountry roads through Oregon that I knew and I felt more comfortable driving, and whoa, it's a fast car. I'm really getting interested in the idea of swapping that power plant into something a little bit lighter and a little bit smaller. So you may see that in the channel. I'm gonna keep an eye out on salvage ones of those, on wrecked ones. If I can find one where the body's completely totaled and I could salvage the whole powertrain and the electronics and all the fun stuff. I mean, I'm really thinking about this pretty strongly. So that's, anyways, car's fantastic. Made it home, no problem. That's it. And you guys are clearly enjoying watching it. So thanks so much for the support, guys. The support lately has been really amazing, and it's just, it's awesome. It's awesome. It gives me confidence to, continue. Not that I didn't need any confidence, but we're good. We're good, guys. So one thing I do want to say though is the thing that I talked about earlier in this episode. It is a bit of a roadblock, and I gotta handle it. So give me a couple extra days than normal. I apologize if something doesn't come out, in 2 days or whatever. It's gonna be a little bit. So give me a couple days to kind of settle things back home, and then back in the shop and getting it done. Also, I need a little bit of time to clean the shop because the shop is a total train wreck. The last time I was in it for any serious amount of time was when we finished the Aston Martin and drove it to San Diego, which was like, gosh, it was a long time ago. It was, yeah, that was 23 days ago, before Christmas. So yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support. Thanks for watching. If you like Beast for Build and you want to help out in support, feel free to head over to beastforbuild.com and scroll down to the shop and pick up anything there. If you want to find us in more places, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitch, we're Beast for Build on all there. And if you want to watch our other channel where builds get done in a matter of minutes, head over to Built Not Bought, and the link is in the description. And that is doing really awesome, so that's really cool too. So thank you guys all so much, and I'll see you soon. Peace.